fruit salad and it goes like this, okay? Then pure papaya.
Papaya?
To the back. Coconut. Pineapple. Pineapple. In front. Banana. Sir, just make sure your fruits don't get mixed up, okay? Do you know where your fruits are? Do you know where your fruits are? Okay.